Cartesian plane and plotting points, question 1. Let's have a look at a question on the Cartesian plane and plotting points. In this question, you are given specific points around the Cartesian plane, and you have to say what the coordinates are. So, specifically, the question says, write down the coordinates of the points A, B, and C. Now remember, when you're writing down coordinates, we always have an ordered pair that starts with the x value followed by the y value. So when we look at the point A on the Cartesian plane, we see that the x value is at the point A. So if I draw a line down from A to see where it cuts the x-axis, we see that it cuts at 2. And if I go across on the y-axis, the vertical axis, I see that it cuts at 3. Therefore, the ordered pair that represents point A will be x is 2 and y is 3. So A is the point 2 and 3. So we list x value followed by y value. We do the same thing for point B. So we look and see what is the x value by going down onto the x-axis. And we see that that value is -3. We go across the vertical axis and we see that the value y is 1. So therefore the coordinates at point B listed as an ordered pair. So we start with x and follow that up with the y value, which is 1. So the point B is represented by the point -3 and 1. And then lastly, we have a look at point C. Point C, you will realize, lies on the y-axis. When a point lies on the axis, either the x or y value of the coordinate will be 0. Now in this case, because we have a point that lies on the y-axis, that means your x value will be 0. So if I go across, up from the point -3, I see that the point has a corresponding x value of 0. So therefore, the coordinates at point C, listed as an ordered pair, the x value is 0 and the y value is -3. Now similarly, if you had a point along the x-axis, your y value would be 0. As you can see, we can read off the coordinates by listing the x value followed by the y value from our Cartesian plane.